This video will give you a quick overview of how to use the examples files in the graphical mode of Thermo-Calc. Graphical mode examples include calculations for Thermo-Calc, the diffusion module known as Dictra, and the precipitation module known as TC Prisma. Beginning with Thermo-Calc 2017A, users can now access the examples from the menu within your software in both the File and Help menus. Simply click on Open Examples to access the files. Examples for the precipitation module say precipitation at the beginning of the file name, and examples for the diffusion module say diffusion. All other examples are various calculations using the different calculators in Thermo-Calc. To run an example, click on the example you want and select Open. All the nodes you need will appear in the project pane, and the calculation is already configured. To get information about the calculation in the configuration window, click on the System Definer, the Calculator node, or the Table or Plot Renderer node. To run the calculation, right-click on any of the nodes and select Perform Now. Once the calculation is complete, the results will appear in the Results pane. Some results will be shown in the form of tables, and some will be shown as plots, depending upon the type of calculation and the way you prefer to visualize the results. If the example has multiple calculations, there will be a tab for each one. If you'd like to customize the examples with your own configurations or learn how to set them up yourself, watch the other examples videos by clicking the link on your screen. For more information about Thermo-Calc, users can access the online help system by going to Help, Online Help. The system will open in an internet browser, but the files are stored locally on your computer, so you do not need an internet connection to use it. The system is searchable and cross-referenced for easy use. You can also access all of the documentation in PDF format by going to Help, Open Manuals folder. We hope you find these examples useful. To watch additional examples videos, click the link currently on your screen.